everybody. Welcome to today's teen cooking show episode where we're making recipes in 5 ingredients or less. Today we're going with more of a topping and we're doing homemade whipped cream, which can be added to a lot of things, ice cream, cookies, cake, just if you want to eat some by the spoonful. And then what's nice about when you make something homemade, you can also add in other flavors. So if you want a little bit of a chocolatey whipped cream, or Nutella flavored, you can even try to make that work. So for basic whipped cream, you need 3 ingredients. The first one is heavy whipping cream. Heavier cream will also work. This one is heavy whipping cream. Granulated sugar, which is just regular normal sugar. The other sugars you usually hear are powdered sugar and brown sugar. This is just your normal white sugar. And then some vanilla extract. I'll be using a hand mixer. You can also just use a regular whisk. That works fine too. It does take a while to really mix it up. So if you have a mixer and want to save yourself the arm strength, you can use that. Or if you're really fancy and you have one of those big KitchenAid mixers that just kind of stand up like that, you can use one of those too. Whatever you can to just mix it up. Alright, so whipped cream is fairly simple to make. You just take a thing of heavy whipping cream, just heavy cream will also work. That, pour it into your measuring cup. You need about a cup. You want to make sure to use a liquid measuring cup like this one. Some of the regular cup ones are for dry things like flour, sugar, that kind of thing. These are for liquid. Just pour it into your mixing bowl. And then you will add the very important sugar. You want 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. And then after you add your sugar, I'm just going to add a little bit of vanilla. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Your vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon. Mix for 2 to 3 minutes until they get stiff. You want to check it every once in a while just to make sure you don't overmix them. And there you have your whipped cream. It takes a little bit of time to get through, a little bit longer if you are going to use a whisk. But otherwise, super simple to do, a couple basic steps, and then you can add it to ice cream, cookies, chocolate. Just take a spoonful of it, however you like it. And that is your basic whipped cream. The longest part is really just whipping it into a cream versus a liquid. And then you are all set to add it to whatever dessert you like. We'd love to hear what you tried. If you would try to add any flavors, what you put it on, let us know.